Okay, how could you make a collage with Photojoiner? Just looking at this today, could come in handy. Create collage. Photojoiner. Okay, go on, go through it at last, right now. Supposed to be very intuitive. Photojoiner, convert Word to PDF, convert. There's some conversions up here. Okay, open. I guess that means the image. So, no, first of all, let's have a look. So I suppose this here gives you a choice of sort of collages. I'm gonna try that one. Custom. So maybe you can make a custom one. Let's see how this works. So open from computer. So let's have a look. So open, there it is there. Drag image to canvas. So I'm going to drag that, left click and drag on. Let's get another one. Open, computer, and the image. Okay, that takes me to my computer. Drag image there. Not bad. Open, computer. Let's try that one. Okay, so I could save that. And here we are, there's the collage. You could do that on GIMP or something, but this could be, that could be very handy for speed. So I'm going to save that to Twitter. I can always go and copy it if I need it. Right, let's see if it's there. Okay, so you're just joining photos, making a collage. Guess you can make your own dimensions and things like that. So very, very simple to use, very intuitive, a nice simple one. Facebook cover. So, I mean, I'm going to guess that's going to be a long one. Yeah. Okay. So there you are.